Historically, my most profitable day of the week is Wednesday. That's why it's spelled with an I, Wednesday. Let's go ahead and dive in and talk about what happened today and what I'm looking at tomorrow.
Hey traders from around the world, it's Jeremy Alexander Newsom. Hope you're doing amazing. It is your Wednesday real life stock review, and today there's so much to talk about, but I want to cover a day trade because the title of this presentation and video does provide details on how and why you should take some fades and of course win. Tupperware, let's go talk about it. Daily chart, first and foremost, huge bearish gap down. Exquisite, amazing, incredible. Tons of people were shorting it. It was a great day trade opportunity for the shorts. Now, I missed the shorts. Wasn't able to trade it. Sold off too fast. I'm a pansy. Insert all those excuses. It was an amazing short opportunity. Just a great gap and go, trapping months and months worth of people. So why go long on this trade, and how do you know to do that? Well, let's talk about it for the next 2 or 3 minutes. Number one, on a daily chart, your long-term moving averages, you were very close to the 200. So if I do look for a fade, these are some of the things I look for. I look for moving averages on larger time frames to see if it's going to fade off of those. Then I zoom into a smaller term time frame and I play it accordingly. So daily chart, 200 simple, we're very close to it. So that's like, okay, we might bounce off of that, right? Weekly chart, notice, boom, you're at the 50 EMA on a weekly, which is 23.92. That's a big deal, right? And number 3, the monthly chart, you were bouncing off of the 10 EMA on a monthly. So I had 3 big moving averages on 3 different time frames that said, hey, we trade down to a support and we could bounce. Now, what do? Pop into the 5-minute chart, pop into the 5-minute chart. And I think everyone here probably has gone through my beginner's class, but if you have not, you should go to reallifetrading.com and click on the beginner section. It's free. So this is a hammer. It's a perfect hammer. Bearish hammer candle with large bear volume. The very next candle that came in, bloop, was this one right here. Huge bullish candle. So look how it takes out this bear, this candle, this candle. So you take out 3 candles in one amazing hammer. So what do? You buy the dip. So we set up an entry to get in on a pullback with a stop $1 away. So the stop was $1 away, 24.20, stop loss 23.20. Makes it really easy to calculate share price. Really easy, right? It's $1. So if you're trading on a $2,000 risk, right? You divide 2,000 by 1, 2,000 shares, and that's exactly how I took the trade. So trade fills, bloop, right there. We go ahead and post it into our official day trade trading journal. So this is what it looks like when we set up about an hour ago. So that was it. That's exactly how the chart looks like in real time in our day trading room. Mentioned a few minutes later, filled on Tupperware, and then posted the target. Initially, it was at 25.10. I ended up increasing that target. And new stop loss a few minutes later. So again, this is an example of how we will update all of our traders so they can trade with us and they can really get an idea and a flow for what we're doing. So again, 10 minutes later, new stop loss on Tupperware. So I increased the stop loss to 23.40 from 24.20. Sorry, 23.20. Yeah, so original stop was 23.20, moved up to 23.40. So 20-cent stop loss move. Target at that time was still 25.10. And then update our Tupperware day trade again about 20 minutes later. Target to exit all, 25.26. New stop loss, 23.55. Bing, bong, boom, and target hit. Great trade. This is the result of that trade, right? A nice $2,100, which is 1.05 Rs for me, at least. And again, for other traders, it might be a little bit different. But I feel like that was a great trade. I think that was an amazing opportunity. And for all those in the day trading room that were able to play that with me, congratulations. And thank you so much for being an incredible, amazing real life trader. Well, that's pretty much it. That's what I got, folks. You rock. And until next time, love life, and trade it. Goodbye.
Bam. That was your Wednesday real life stock review. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. And I really appreciate you helping us with our mission, which is to enrich lives.